Good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be discussing how to prepare questionnaire, right? How to prepare questionnaire in MS Word. So generally in questionnaire, we have three kind of questions. Number one, open-ended, which means your answer is not limited to any condition. Your answer is not bound to any specific options. That is called open-ended, like your suggestions. Their suggestions are coming in the category of open-ended. Then second category is close-ended. In close-ended, we have further classification like true and false, when there is necessity to pick particular option out of available options. So at that places, we need to use radio buttons called radio buttons. For example, are you suffering from any disease? The possible answer set can be either yes or no. So you need to pick any one option. When there is an option, when there is a situation you need to pick only one option, then you need to use this radio button. This is called radio button. So this is used when you need to pick only one option. Second category in close-ended, like when you have multiple options to be selected. When you have multiple options to be selected. For example, like symptoms, like your hobbies, that can be more than one. Cough, cold, fever, infection. You can select more than one option. So those are categories of questionnaire. Now we need to prepare a general questionnaire in MS Word. So template you can see. Similar template we need to prepare in this exercise. So let's remove and start making this exercise. So first of all, you should select a particular name, hospital name that you want to create a questionnaire. For example, we are making for Fortis. So we'll write Fortis and apply some styles. Increase the size as per your requirement. Then from here, you can change the text color and use some text styles. You can make it center too. After that, next, name. And these things we don't want in formatting. So we'll remove the formatting of this, right? So what we want after 40 is there should be categorization of page. Page should be categorized into two sections. So for that categorization, we'll use border, bottom border. Okay, if your border is not suitable, you can change your border from border and shading from here. Okay, you can choose thick and thin as per your requirement, right? After that, you can have some basic details about your websites like www.fortis.com or any mobile number like journal. So all these details should be free from formatting. So simply you can use here simple text new Roman, and from here choose black and black only. Fine. So let's write now some general details about patient. So here we are making questionnaire about particular patient. So we'll write, we need to have name of the patient. Let's bold it. You can use Control B for bold, or from here you can select bold option. Name, last name. After that, you can ask about like contact details. your contact number, simple, gender, then OPD number, and you can have some basic like date of entrance or registration, date of visiting also, anything. Then you need to write address, completely city, state, and etc. Fine. So after that city, and you can write here state too. So here are some general details that we need to take from patient. After that, some specific details like your questions. Question number 1. It's one kind of survey. So you will frame your first question. Are you suffering from any disease? Question mark. Now for this question, answer will be only 2, right? Either yes or no. So so here you need to use radio buttons. One option is go to bullets and choose radio button. Type yes and no. Are you suffering from any disease? Yes or no. When you have option of picking only one option, then you need to use this radio button. Now, if this option is not available with your radio button, then you need to click on insert. After insert, you need to choose symbols, and from go to more symbol, you will have these symbols, these additional symbols. Fine. So after that, next question, this is the example of close-ended question. Next question, question number 2. If yes, then specify. If yes, then specify. Now for this answer will be open-ended, means if you are suffering from disease, explain something about your disease. So that will be completely open-ended, simple. After that, question number 3. Question number 3, like this is again related to your close-ended question, but in this you can select more than one options, like symptoms of disease. So that can be again, go to home, bullets. Here are check boxes. This is called check boxes this time. Suppose your options are cough, cold, and fever, infection. So in this category, we can select more than one option. when we need to select more than one option, we need to use this checkbox, and this checkbox will be available in bullets, or you can choose it from insert, symbols, more symbols list, right? It's available there. Fine.